Okay, welcome to another episode on Donna Jet 625 Donna. So, what Donna gonna do today is she will, let me open the door, obviously. She will take this piece and she will put it there, yeah? I know pretty much that everyone knows how to do that, but just as a reminder for myself, we shall do it now. So, close the door. As flipping always, double lights. So this is the situation. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna spin her 180. So then the suckers will face us and then we shall lift her up. So essentially, we are going, so many buttons in here. 100, for God's sake, 180. MDI. She does this. Yes. Now, essentially what you need to do is you need to get her more to the middle. What I tend to do is I tend to lower her down. Not too much, because obviously we've got a blade there. But because I'm blind and I can't see shit, so what we will do, we're gonna grab her like that. Okay. Now, we will check. Obviously, this is not a massive piece, so it doesn't flipping matter really. But essentially, this is the position we're gonna lift it. We can go slightly this way. So, I'm happy with that. Now, crucial thing. We have to get the Z axis, X, whatever, all the way up. Yeah? They need to be all the way up. Now, we have this menu, suction cups. So, we will have to click suction cups down. And they are down. Now, obviously they are not in parking mode because they are down. Yeah? So, now we go raise piece, start. Yeah? Now the noise happens and she goes. Yeah? Tim. She goes up. Now, I have no flipping clue how to set up the fact that she's going that high. That I have no clue. But that's obviously, it's like third video of mine, so let's don't be too optimistic. Now, just to make life much easier, this is essential. This thing makes everything go slower. So obviously 0, it doesn't move. 10, it goes like crazy. So we're gonna go 4. So that means the whole process of moving is slightly slower. So what I would like to do, because obviously I've got a massive problem with water, I would like to put her there. Yeah? So it's gonna be cutting at the back, which means nobody will cry that the water comes at the front. So this is what we're gonna do. Now we press release. Obviously. And she goes down. Yeah? Is she going down? No. Yeah, she's going down. Because our thing is on slow. So obviously you speed that button up, she goes quicker as well. Yeah? Now she goes back. And now obviously suction pads are not in parking because they are not up, which means up. Yeah? They are now in parking, which is brilliant. So now obviously what we can do, this is the process is finished. So just to be happy, let's put her in parking. Yeah, obviously we've got a free parking, so there's no fees. So we are all happy. That's it. Bye.